Hello to everybody. Now we have to discuss about Fourier series. In Fourier series, we have to discuss on half-range Fourier cosine series. So these are recapitulation for half-range Fourier cosine series. Learning objectives: to find the expansion of f of x in the range 0 to L and 0 to pi. Session outcomes: choose to expand a non-periodic function either as a series of sines or as a series of cosines. So these are prerequisites. Main content is half-range Fourier cosine series. In the preceding section, we have discussed Fourier expansion of a function f of x over the interval minus L, L. Now, suppose we wish to expand f of x over the half interval 0 to L in a Fourier series that contains only cosine terms. For this purpose, we define a new function phi of x, like phi of x is equal to f of x in 0 to L and f of minus x in minus L to 0. Note that here phi of x is an even function over the interval minus L, L. Hence, the Fourier expansion of phi of x over minus L to L is phi of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos of n pi by L into x. Here a0 is 2 by L into integration of 0 to L phi of x dx, and an is equal to 2 by L into 0 to L phi of x cos of n pi by L into dx dx. Since equation 1 is valid for all x in minus L, L, it is valid for x in 0 to L. But in 0 to L, phi of x is equal to f of x. Hence, in the half interval 0 to L, equation 1 becomes f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos of n pi by L into x. Also, equations 2 and 3 becomes a0 is equal to 2 by L integration of 0 to L f of x dx, and an is equal to 2 by L 0 to L f of x cos of n pi by L into x dx. RHS of equation 4 represents the Fourier series for f of x over the half interval 0 to L. This contains only cosine terms. This is called half-range Fourier cosine series for f of x over the interval 0 to L. For L is equal to pi, the above expressions becomes f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus cos nx, which represents the half-range Fourier cosine series for f of x over the interval 0 to pi. Here a0 is this one and an is this. Session summary: expansion of half-range Fourier cosine series in the interval 0 to L and 0 to pi. Multiple choice questions. First one: in half-range Fourier series expansion, we know the nature of the function in its full time period. Answer is B, that is false. Second question is: in half-range cosine Fourier series, we assume the function to be. Answer is B, even function. In Parseval's relations of half-range Fourier cosine series expansion, which of the following term does not appear? Answer is C, Bn. And fourth question is, what is the value of a naught if the function is f of x is equal to x cube in the interval 0 to 5? Answer is C, 625 by 4. And fifth one, in Parseval's formula for half-range Fourier series, the formula contains L by 2 multiplied with the square of individual coefficients. Answer is A, that is true. So these are reference books for this session. Thank you.